Welcome to our English space. Let's get started.
Golf,
Golf.
golf. Fencing, fencing.
Fencing,
Kitesurfing,
kitesurfing,
Kitesurfing.
gymnastics, gymnastics.
Gymnastics. Skiing.
Skiing,
skiing,
Paragliding.
paragliding,
paragliding,
windsurfing,
windsurfing,
Windsurfing. Snowboarding.
snowboarding,
snowboarding, ziplining,
Zip lining.
ziplining,
Rafting.
rafting,
Rafting.
base jumping,
base jumping,
Base jumping.
snorkeling,
Snorkeling.
snorkeling.
That's impressive. You completed the step without any problems. Don't stop now. Keep going here.